Morning. It's about, I think it's about 8:30, 9ish, Saturday morning, and I thought I'd bring a video out just to show that I've not gone too far. I'm not stopped making videos, but I've been taking a break from everything to start to not be enjoyable because everything was rushed. My videos were rushed. I don't think they're as good as I want them to be, and I think my camera's about to fall off the roof, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Apart from that, I have been mega busy. Work's been mega busy. I still haven't really done anything to my van or my bike, which is because obviously I'm having rest and everything's in my head in. And it's been quite nice. I've been putting more time into some skateboarding and mountain biking and chilling with my mates and stuff. And I've got another YouTube channel which we do all random adventures and crazy shit on that. So I've been quite enjoying doing that kind of thing. But yeah, I'll show you what I've been working on. And yeah, I'll show you what stuff I've been doing for jobs for other people just to make some money, because I've been putting some money into stock market and crypto, because at the end of the day we all need our money to work for us, and money in the banks is just a fucking joke really. Anything to do with government's a joke, but yeah, here we go. So this is the Mini. I kind of own, like I suppose you could say, I own 1/3 of it, but I welded all these in, both wings, front end, the seals, in there, and the second side of the seals, and the jacket points, and a rear bumper underneath it. I can't remember what you call that. But it's a pretty solid shell. The roof is solid and beautiful. No rust. Well, I wouldn't say no rust, but no corrosion or holes in the roof, which is most important. So it is pretty much a shell. I'm going to just sand it down, and then it's going to the paint shop, and then hopefully get sorted before winter starts, because there's going to be another cold winter, no doubt. And then get it rebuilt, sell it, and then profit I get made from it, I'll be putting that back into my projects, I think. Put a little bit into like crypto a little bit and stuff. But yeah, that's going to go for either a new bike, well, on a supermoto of some sort, so we could do some off-roading that, because my last bike I got took off me by the police, sorry. So yeah, here's my next thing. So bike's still in one piece. I've not really done anything to it. Well, I haven't done anything to it. But I've got another job which I'm going to be doing over next week and the week after. This is a wiring job in a Range Rover, which money from that I'm just going to put all into that, and then get all the cables I need, everything I need, and then finish that off before Christmas hopefully. I did make some cables, which still need some modifications I think, but I've got another idea how I'm going to go about that. And I still got my tank to paint, and I was going to cut these mudguards down and a back, but I'm not too sure. I don't know, to just sort it out to sell, to then make that money into another project, a better project, or before I sell it and tweak it a little bit more. I'm not too sure, to be fair. And then the last thing is this Vespa GS, which I was making a video of me rebuilding it. Such well, it wasn't a full rebuild, it's just you had loads of parts you want putting onto it. This runs pretty nice now, and it drives pretty nice. But I was time-lapsing and doing all sorts to make a pretty good video, and then somehow my GoPro 8, which I bought from the time-lapses, has gone missing, or lost, and got nicked. So all that's gone to shit, so I bought myself another one, which I got like some tips for this bike, but I ain't gonna bother putting it out there because half the stuff's gonna be missing. But it's pretty much done. There's a couple of little bits he's waiting for him to bring, and then doing that back, and I don't know if he's, well, I don't know what the plans he's got after that. But yeah, that's pretty much done. So I've got getting stuff done, but I've just been like, there's not, well, it needs to be more than 24 hours in a day, because days are going too quick and I'm running out of time and everything. But upwards and onwards. So yeah, that's it for the update. I'm gonna make myself my third coffee of the morning, and carry on, well, start sanding that down, and then my mate's coming in and just need to do a quick service on his car. And then, depending on what time that is, I might try and do something else. We've got another a wheel to weld as well at some point. But yeah, hopefully you're still watching. If not, no worries. I hope everybody's having a good time, and everybody's safe and enjoying time with their families and such. Appreciate the time I've got. So yeah, I'm not even sure when my next video is going to be out, but hopefully it won't be too long away. Yeah, slowly get through the stuff I need to do. But yeah, appreciate people who have followed and liked my videos and stuff. It's all been pretty sick and cool and all that. And yeah, peace out. And hopefully everybody's having a good weekend. But the time this comes out, it might be past the weekend, so maybe everybody have a good time next weekend. So yeah, see you later.